Omega Harbinger. Let's do it with Nick this time. First, bring in $7. We're going to put them on aggressive. They're going to clean out the base. Now we just sit back and let them do their stuff. They know what to kill and when. They'll chase after the dervish, kill them. Everything but the Harbinger. We're going to bring in Nick and see how Nick does. Matt did fine, but he took a little damage. And I don't like that. All right. They're done. Now let's bring in Matt. Matt? Oh, I don't think... Is he going to shoot it? Whoa, whoa, Nick, you're getting whacked. Got to move faster than that, my little friend.